Welcome my subscribers, welcome my viewers and my followers. In this video, you will see a project we did at Asaba, Black Tower Hotels. We use Gravitex paint on these external walls and the silk satin paint in the interior walls. If you are willing to learn how to produce Gravitex paint, how to apply Gravitex paint, what are you waiting for? Join our YouTube membership program. There you can get those formulas: Gravitex paint, decorative paints, other paints. This project was done by our team and we are the one that produced this Gravitex paint. Join our team today. Join our YouTube membership program so that you get those formulas. This is how the work started. We did the work from scratch. Nandrotex paint, Nandrotex Gravitex paint is trust for quality. You can learn how to produce those things. What are you waiting for? Click at the join button and join our YouTube membership program. You are welcome. We are waiting for you there. Thank you for watching.